Okay guys, now if you love all that you've seen today, I wanted to show you the very best deal in the entire catalog, and that is our consultant enrollment kit. I've got the $99 kit here. It has everything you need to start your business strong, and I'm going to show you exactly what's inside. What's not shown here are your whole packet catalogs, your mini catalogs, your order forms, your flyers, your every single thing, your website. It's not shown in here. I'm just going to go really quick through and show you what you get for $99. Okay, so first of all, you've got the large utility tote. You have the Alright, if you love what you heard, you get 40% off this holiday season, 25% back on all your friends and family's Christmas shopping, and I would love to chat with you. Go ahead and check out my website, www.shopwithrachel.com, or message me to learn more.